there, you're quick. Right there, bust me out. Bust me out. So howdy. So this segment is going to continue and get a whole lot more detailed around, I think around the 6th episode. That's where I'm going to start adding in all the narration of each and everything that I'm doing. So, but as I said before in the last one, this is going to be one of the things that I'm starting to do for my subscribers on the Facebook page. So this video will go to about, I think, the 5th or the 6th one, and then it will only be available in the back end of that website. But I'm going to start to narrate everything that it is that I'm doing, and you're really going to get to come with me on this journey through training these puppies, kind of the steps and what I'm doing. Right now, we're really just scratching the surface. The first couple videos have just been like them imprinting basic stuff, water and elements of life and so on and so forth. But now we're kind of getting into a bit of the detailed, more, not really too much detail, honestly. It's still a bit of a free-for-all. We just want engagement. We just want puppies having a good time, good solid bites, building their drive. That's all we're really doing right now. So in the next 2 or 3 videos, I think this is the 3rd one, or the 4th one. I don't know. I make so many videos. I don't know. But I know I planned on by about the 6th one or the 5th one. I don't know why I keep saying 6th and 5th, but it'll be one of those two, whichever I decide. It's going to get a lot more detailed with what it is that I'm doing and how I'm presenting the videos to you. So I'm going to have parts where there's narration. I'll probably have different little sit-down parts too. So it'll be fun. It'll be a good time. So make sure you're following along. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you check out DDKLandApparel.com. The winner will be announced soon. I promise you guys, coming soon. And then probably that same day, I'm going to do another contest. So you're going to have real quick turnaround. You're going to be able to have that opportunity once again. But we're going to be able to make that phone call, and you guys are going to be able to confirm and see that these people are real, that we're really going to do this, and it's 100% real every time. So, anyways, appreciate everybody. Hope you guys are enjoying this little segment. I just had to make a little interjection here so you can kind of understand what to expect from what I'm doing here with this little video series. All right? So enjoy. All right, so one more thing. So all the gear that I'm using in this video, that I will be using in this video, from the leashes, the collars, the harnesses, the tugs, the sleeves, the bite suits, you can find all of this gear right here on my website, ddk9-gear.com, okay? More human kind of stuff. Clothes, shoes, pants, hoodies, t-shirts, phone case. I mean, I make all types of things. Just go over there, check that out, ddklandapparel.com. That's up here. But for dog gear and training equipment, ddk9-gear. That's where you want to go. We also have the main website is right here, so you can go there as well, and that will kind of connect you to everything, and that's where you can find all the information about the dogs and the training and everything that's on this website right here. So just to kind of clarify that for everybody. Okay? Hope that helps. I know. Coming down so I can bust that. I'm keeping them moving, just stimulates them. Whoops, almost got my leg. The movement stimulates the dog, so that's what keeps them, like when they're young, when you teach them, that's what keeps them on the bites, just to stimulate a good amount of movement. That's why you see me do this a lot. That movement is keeping him engaged because he's still thinking that it's alive. And that's what, I mean, don't be fooled. If you're playing with your dog with a tug and it's a squeaky toy, that squeaky noise is supposed to be an animal dying. So that's what he thinks going on. So this is simulating an animal that's fighting. So that's why he's fighting. When it's still, it's dying. That's how animals think about it. Oh, good. I'm teaching you, like, be a bit more possessive. She's a bit softer. It's the opposite of her sister. Come here, girl. Come here. Let's go. Come here, my little mean one. Show them how we do it. Yep. You want to show them how girls do it? You want to show them how girls do it? Want to show that you're the vessel wanted, Toshi? Want to show that girls can do this too? Crazy little bitch. This little thing. Whoops. Ah, get over here. Whoa, we gotta watch out with this little one.
girl, you did the best. You can win the first. Give me that. I'll snatch that shit. Did I do the best then? Probably, girl. Probably. Oh, you get to this is A plus for major. A plus. You can have an A minus. It was good, but there's improvement. You get an A plus, girl. Well, you can have an A. You were pretty good. And you get a C plus, girl. You have improvement to make there. It's pretty.